Welcome to the Explainer. Let's jump right into why getting lean gets exponentially harder over time.
Week 1, super easy. But by week 10, you're literally dreaming about food, right?
Hunger compounds. To survive that brutal mathematical reality, you're going to need some seriously unconventional tricks. Trick 1. Avoid protein slop. These highly processed snacks usually pack way more sugar than actual protein.
Fudgy protein bars just leave you craving another one. But high-volume foods like tofu, they actually fill you up.
Prioritize high-volume, filling foods to crush your hunger and completely wipe out that dangerous binge risk. Tip 2 is mandatory. If you stop tracking calories, you will absolutely fall off the wagon. Don't use ChatGPT. It actually hallucinates extra meals. Instead, grab a dedicated app like CalAI. Just discreetly snap a quick pic of your food and boom, it automatically tracks your macros. This saves you from totally blowing your calories at a restaurant and ruining a whole week of progress. Okay, tip 3. Stop just drinking your water to feel full and start eating it instead. 10 minutes. That's exactly how fast liquid empties from your stomach, leaving a massive hunger void. Try solids like cantaloupe. It's shockingly 90% water, but it stays in your stomach way longer. Veggies trap water to keep you full. A Dorito? It's basically just empty corn and oil.
Mix up some oat soup. Sounds weird, but it makes a massive solid meal for under 300 calories.
Tip 4. Master your mindset. Eating 1,800 calories literally means spending most of your day not eating. To stop obsessing, distract yourself, ditch the trigger foods, and limit how often you're actually eating. Hunger is a gate. Opening it constantly keeps you starving, so group those snacks into actual meals.
Finally, tip 5. Be patient. Obsessing over the diet will straight up lead to your downfall.
Limit your chances to mess up by just repeating this incredibly mundane but highly effective daily routine.
You've got the tricks now. But when that exponential hunger hits week 10, will your willpower hold?